friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a very easy, inexpensive project that can be made from all Dollar Tree items. I'm sharing with you my Dollar Tree foam carvable pumpkin floral arrangements. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and leave a thumbs up if you do like today's content, and leave questions or comments down below if you have any. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button right now so that you don't forget or miss out at the end of the video. I have another couple of DIYs with these carvable pumpkins coming up within the next couple of days, but I hope you like the two that I'm sharing with you today. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. For this project, I'm using faux florals from Walmart and Dollar Tree. I also have two styrofoam pumpkins from Dollar Tree, two birch branches from a package of them that I purchased a while ago from Dollar Tree, an old steak knife, a chalk marker, paintbrushes, chalkboard wood stakes from Dollar Tree, acrylic white craft paint, and my glue gun.